Do you want to create your own logos, vector graphics, posters, business cards, or professional designs? CorelDRAW 2026. Version 27 is one of the best graphic design tools available. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the latest CorelDRAW 2026 v27 step by step. Just follow along and you'll have it up and running in minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. First, open your web browser and search for CorelDRAW 2026 v27. From the search results, open the official CorelDRAW website. Once the website loads, click Try Free for 15 days. After the trial page opens, sign into your CorelDRAW account. If you don't have an account yet, create one first. Next, download the online installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer to begin the installation process. Click Continue and wait while the installer downloads the required files. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, the installation will start automatically. Wait for the installation to finish, as this may also take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, launch CorelDRAW. When the program opens, you'll be asked to sign in. Log in using the same account you used on the CorelDRAW website. In my case, I created my account with Google, so I'll click Continue with Google. As you can see, once I'm signed in, the setup is complete. Simply click Finish and CorelDRAW will launch. That's it! You can now enjoy the 15-day free trial of CorelDRAW. Have fun creating logos, vector illustrations, banners, and many other amazing designs. If I missed any of the features you can create with CorelDRAW, I apologize. Enjoy designing